Ayan. So, hello po. Sir, I'll be discussing naman po yung tungkol sa ating Toshiba top-load washing machine. This is a fully automatic top-load model. So, this one is 7 kilogram yung capacity. Yan. So, as you can see po, very chic, very neat, at saka very aesthetic yung kanyang design kasi it's all white. So, di ba, mas maganda tingnan sa laundry area natin na malinis, even yung ating washing machine. So, for the cover po, ito is naka-soft closing cover siya. So, this is very safe para yung user, sila may ipet. Yan. So, mas, kumbaga, user-friendly siya. Hindi talaga. Soft closing talaga siya. Yan. Yes, oo. So, mas safe yan, lalo na if you have kids around na may tendency na maipet or mabagsakan yung kamay nila. And then, meron, as you can see po yung design, no, meron siyang parang, ano po ito anti-fingerprint. Yan. Fingerprint, oo. So, para hindi mas neat siya tingnan. Yes, this is tempered glass. Yeah, so, durable na rin. At the same time nga, mas safe pa din. Kasi just in case lang na mabasag siya, hindi siya mag-scatter yung glass. Yan. Tapos, yung kanyang control panel naman is very user-friendly kasi hindi masyadong komplikado. It's not complicated to use. So, as you can see, you just have to turn this button. Yan, press lang natin to para ma-on natin yung unit. And then, we can activate the one-touch wash. Meaning, yes, just press this start button and then yung automatic na. Yung unit na yung bahalang mag-set ng washing time, yung frequency ng rinsing, and then pati yung drying, yung spin dry, siya na rin bahalang mag-adjust. Yes, opo. Air spin dry siya actually, yeah. So, 60 to 70% dry na yung clothes natin. So, perfect to, lalo na during rainy season of if nakatira ka sa condo, di ba, restricted yung mga clothes line, pwede. Opo.
So, ito, pwede na siya mag-wash, pwede siya mag-rinse,
Yes.
spin dryer.
Yes, all in one unit. So, all you have to do is just put the detergent. So, may option ka to use the liquid detergent or if you want yung powder, pwede mong i-remove lang itong blue container na to para powder. And then this one naman yung softener or Fabcon dispenser. So, automatic na siyang madidispense during the last rinse cycle. Yan. Tapos, yan. So, meron din naman siyang mga pulsator para mas nalilinis yung damit natin. Yan. Without damaging the clothes, syempre.
Right, yun yung mga blanket.
Yes, opo. Pero if you opt to use the manual wash, pwede rin naman if you want to adjust the water level and then you want to choose yung different program that you want. Yan. So, you can select from different courses na available po.
Mga magkano yung ganitong unit?
This one po is mga nag-range lang to ng nasa less than 20,000.
Less, 20,000.
Nasa 15, na actually less than.
Less than. Nice.
Yeah. Depende po sa capacity kasi. So, syempre, as babang lumalaking capacity.
So, anong model to? We call this Toshiba,
Toshiba top load po.
Top load.
Yes. Apo. 7 kilogram po. Ito po yung kanyang model number.
Yan.
Yeah.
Alright. So, pwede palang jeans, blanket.
Yes. So, smartwash na rin siya. Fuzzy Logic or smartwash po.
So, paano siya maging smart pala? Ano
Yun nga po, just press the one-touch button, siya na balang mag-set, pati yung water level, yung rinsing frequency, washing time,
Kasi,
pati yung drying time.
Ito yung nakakapit naman to yung hose niya sa
Yes,
level.
automatic na.
Okay.
Toshiba front load.
Front load.
This is the model TWD. Ayun po, medyo mahaba yung model niya. Yan. So, this is a combo, meaning wash and dry na po siya. So, if you want to use yung wash and spin niya, 11 kilogram. Pero kung magpo-proceed ka sa dryer, 7 kilogram na po yung capacity. So, kaya po tinawag siya na 11/7.
Ano bang mas maganda? Yung top load or yung front load?
Actually, pareho silang maganda, pero depende sa lifestyle ng customer. So, this one kasi mas dry, yung percentage of dryness niya mas mataas. So, it can dry from 90 to 94%. So, sobrang bilis na lang niyang matuyo. Matuyo, oo. Pero, ang isa sa advantage din ng front load is mas lesser yung consumption mo sa water. So it can save you up to 70% in water consumption compared to the top load and twin tub models. Yan.
So mayroon ba siya smart technology for
Um,
this model?
Actually, this one po, wala siyang one-touch
Wala
wash.
siya. Meron lang
Oo.
yung top load lang.
Yes, yung top load. Oo. So dito naman marami tayong program that you can choose depende doon sa preference na or doon sa clothes ng customer. So may cotton, may mix, quick dry, drum clean, yan.
Sa kabila, walang cotton eh.
Wala.
So, pag cotton
Pero
talaga,
yes, this one kasi, ang advantage ng Fronto, this space saving siya. As you can see dito sa design natin,
Yes, oo.
pwede mo siya ilagay under your countertop or
Kasi sa
under
baba,
your sink.
nasa front load kasi siya.
Yes, under your sink. So space saver talaga siya. Especially if you live in a condo or studio type unit, mas perfect siya.
Inverter dito. tama.
Yes, inverter. So matipid na rin siya sa kuryente. Yan. It has a 10-year warranty sa motor and 3 years for the parts and service.
So mga how much naman yung price range?
This one, nag-range siya po ito ng nasa 30 to 40.
Kapa. So that's it. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.